त्वचा विज्ञान आणि सौंदर्यशास्त्र बनावटी डॉक्टरांक लागून हुस्को वाढत असा. अपात्र दोतोर अनधिकृत उपचार दितात, जाका लागून कातीचे अपरिवर्तनीय नुकसान आणि गंभीर संसर्ग जावंक शकता. खऱ्या वैजकी व्यावसायिकांचो विश्वास उणो जाला आणि वैजकी व्यवस्थेचेर लोकांचो विश्वास उणो जाला अशी शिटकावणी तज्ञांनी दिल्या. भौशीक भलायकेची राखण करपा खातीर मार्गदर्शक तत्वां जारी करची अशें आवाहन सरकाराक तांणी केला. पळयात.
We are telling as we want the public and the media to be aware of this, because there are certain guidelines which are laid down by the National Medical Commission. There was a circular which was laid down on 20th September 2022, and as per that NMC guidelines, hair transplantation can only be done by a dermatologist and a plastic surgeon who has appropriate training and infrastructure. So they should have a fully equipped operation theatre, qualified anesthesia support, emergency drugs, resuscitation equipments, oxygen, ECG monitoring, sterilization protocols, biomedical waste management, and post-operative recovery and monitoring facilities. These are the guidelines which were stated by National Medical Commission. But the problem what has happened after that was Dental Council of India on 6th December 2022, they notified the dentist with MDS degree in oral and maxillofacial surgery, they can also perform aesthetic and hair transplantation procedures. This was signed by an accounts officer, Shri Vikas Chawda, who was officiating as a secretary in absence of duly appointed secretary of DCI. This notification is already being contested in Madras High Court, writ petition numbers 36164 and 12044 of 2024 by the Tamil Nadu branch of IDWIL, and in Bombay High Court by the Dynamic Dermatologist Association. Now, NMC after this has stated certain summary of the positions of NMC's position before the Honorable Courts. Aesthetic procedures and hair transplantation can only be performed by a registered medical practitioner under the NMC Act with a full anesthetic backup and infrastructure. Dentists of any discipline have no legal authority in this domain, and the Dental Council of India has no jurisdiction to issue or propagate such permissions. During the hearing held on 21st January 2026, the Honorable Madras High Court has directed the Government of India to constitute an expert committee to bring in clarity on the issue of hair transplantation being performed by the oral and maxillofacial surgeons.
आमचे असोसिएशन जे आसा IDWIL इज द बिगेस्ट असोसिएशन. तशेंच आमची स्कीन इज द बिगेस्ट ऑर्गन. सो एनी स्कीन डिजीज जी आसा प्रत्येकाक दिसता की कोणी ट्रीट करूं शकता म्हणून, पूण तें तशें नासता. ताका क्वॉलिफायड डॉक्टरच आसात. म्हणून आमी येदें व्हडलें जरी असोसिएशन असलें, आमी एक असो QR कोड केला जो आमी प्रत्येक क्लिनिकांक आतां दितले. सो प्रत्येक पेशंट जो क्लिनिकांत वता किंवा स्कीन डिजीज जालें म्हणून वता, ताणें पयलीं व्हेरीफाय करचें की हो खरोच क्वॉलिफायड ट्रेन डॉक्टर आसा काय ना. कारण खूब अशी बारीक बारीक क्लिनिकां ऑल ओवर इंडिया जाल्यान, आनी प्रत्येक जाण आपूण स्कीन स्पेशलिस्ट म्हणटा. कारण ट्रिटमेंट करप सामको इजी आसा. कोण व्हडले व्हडले प्रोसिजर करता, स्कीन ट्रान्सप्लांट करता इल्लेशा रुमांनी, अशें कितें कितें चल्लां सगळें ऑल ओवर इंडियाय चल्लां, गोंयांकूय चल्लां आसतलें. सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन इतलेंच मागता की जो कोणी पेशंट ताजी स्कीन केअर जी आसता ती स्कीन डॉक्टरानूच घेवची, हाजी काळजी घेवंक जाय. तशेंच आमी पेशंटांकय रिक्वेस्ट करतात, खंयच्याय दोतोरा कडेन वचचे पयलीं हो खरोच ट्रेन डॉक्टर आसा काय ना हें व्हेरीफाय करूनच ट्रिटमेंट करात. प्रत्येक जाण इंस्टाग्राम फेसबूक हाजेर एड पळयतात, रिल्स पळयतात, तांकां दिसता की चल आतां गेल्या की स्कीन क्लीन जातली. तशेंच प्रत्येक फार्मासी आपली ओन ट्रिटमेंट दितात. ह्या दिसांनी खूब जाणां फंगल इन्फेक्शन बी जाल्लींच आसतात. सो खाज येता अशें म्हळें की फार्मासी वतात, ट्रिटमेंट घेतात. तातूंत चडशे स्टिरॉयड्स आसतात, चडशे इन्स्टंट इफेक्टीव ट्यूब आसतात, ते लायले की बरें दिसता पेशंटाक. सो आनी ते पेशंटूय मागीर दुसऱ्यांक दीत रावतात, आनी अशें करून स्कीन इबाड जाता. लास्ट मागीर ते आमचे कडेन पावतात. सो तशें जावची न्ही म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटाकूय आमी रिक्वेस्ट करतात, तशें प्रेसाकूय बी की अवेरनेस वाडयात स्किनाच्या प्रॉब्लमा बद्दल आनी प्रॉपर ट्रिटमेंट सगळ्यांनी घेवचो, इतलीच आमची इच्छा.
Term is a quack and a mere pretender to medical knowledge. There is a Supreme Court civil appeal saying a professional may be held liable for negligence on the ground that he did not possess of the requisite skill which he professes to have. Thus, a doctor who has qualification in Ayurvedic, Unani or homeopathic medicine will be liable if he prescribes allopathic treatment. So we request the press to convey the following fact. Number 1, dermatology is a medical specialty that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of the problem concerning skin, hair and nail. These include infections, inflammatory and autoimmune conditions, common conditions like acne, pigmentary concerns, hair loss, and cosmetic and anti-aging concerns like dullness, facial sagging, wrinkle, stretch marks, etc. Just as the medicine for the treatment of these conditions should be prescribed by a qualified people, procedures for their treatment such as chemical peel, lasers, energy-based devices, injectables such as fillers and botox, surgeries, vitiligo can legally be performed by a dermatologist and not by a cosmetologist.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीषा जाधव आणि वैष्णवी साळगावकर.